Okay, in this lesson, I wanted to go over the steps for solving two-step equations like we just talked about. But I want you to see the visuals that we worked on the other day. I want you to see the connection. Okay, so we have 5x plus 1 equals 16. Okay, my goal is to get rid of the added or subtracted number first. Okay, 1 is being added. So to get rid of an added 1, I'm going to subtract 1 from the left, subtract 1 from the right. Okay, and then I'll keep going back to the visual. So when I take 1 away from the left and the right, okay, you can tell we have 5x equals 15. But I also want you to see, and I know some of you already were catching on to this before, look at 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. That goes away. So the left side is your 5x. On the right, even without the visual, look what we have there. We have 16 minus 1, which is 15. We have 5x is equal to 15. You can see it on the visual as well. Okay, now to solve 5 times x equals 15, we want to get rid of the multiplied number. Okay, to get rid of a multiplied number, we're going to divide both sides by 5. Okay, now look at this. 5 divided by 5 is really 1. Okay, so the left side, even without the picture, is 1x. Well, 1x is just x. And on the right, just looking at the equation, we have 15 divided by 5, and 15 divided by 5 is 3. And that you could see this with the tiles as well. Just do a shortcut here. You split these up. This x would have to be 3. This x would have to be 3. It's really the 1 for you, 1 for you, 1 for you trick. I'm just trying to make it quicker so you don't have to go through that again. Okay, this x would have to equal 3 because they're splitting both sides up into 5 equal groups. This x has to be 3, and that x would have to be 3. Okay, but again, even without the picture, we got rid of the added 1 by subtracting 1. 1 minus 1 goes away. 16 minus 1 is 15. Then we got rid of the multiplied 5 by dividing. And over here on the right, we have 15 divided by 5 is 3.